We'll solve the equation negative 3 times x minus 6 times the quantity x minus 4 equals 9. Let's begin by doing the multiplication that appears on the left-hand side of the equation. We'll have negative 3x minus 6 times x, which is minus 6x, minus 6 times negative 4, which gives us plus 24, and that's equal to 9. Now I have two x terms on the left-hand side, negative 3x minus 6x, and I can collect them. That's equal to negative 9 times x. That plus 24 is equal to 9. I can now get the x term alone on the left-hand side by subtracting 24 on both sides of the equation. So we'd write negative 9x plus 24 minus 24 equals 9 minus 24. On the left-hand side, I have negative 9 times x, and on the right-hand side, I have 9 minus 24, or negative 15. And now we see that if we divide both sides of the equation by negative 9, we'll have x alone on the left-hand side. So we have negative 9x divided by negative 9 is equal to negative 15 divided by negative 9. That leaves me with x on the left. And when I simplify negative 15 over negative 9, I get a positive number. The number is 5/3. So we now know that the solution of the equation is 5/3.